My objective is to create an online business utilizing ChatGPT and assess the efficacy of AI by running paid advertisements and partnerships. I want to determine whether a product created with AI assistance can be successful or not. We will discover this in today's video, so before we move any farther, welcome to Money Flow, where we will teach you the most recent making money online ideas, tips, and techniques. So hit the subscribe button and give it a thumbs up for more videos. If you have any question through the video, leave your question in the comment section below and we'll happily answer you. Now back to our video. Today is unique as I have resolved to elevate the idea by constructing a complete business model around it. First of all, we need to enhance the product to make it distinct and increase its value. Secondly, we must show off the final product in the best possible manner by establishing a high-converting online store. And then we'll be able to launch paid advertisements to lure potential customers. I designed a plan to generate an ebook centered around habits and to market it alongside a printable planner. This approach is an excellent technique to augment any product and make it more captivating. Keep watching the video till the end because I will show you the most important tips and tricks in today's video. To start, I requested the chatbot to provide me with an outline structure of the book. Within a couple of seconds, it generated all the chapters, each consisting of 3 parts. Afterwards, I duplicated the first chapter and entered it into the chat to generate the content. From there, I simply duplicated and pasted until all the sections of my ebook were complete. Then I realized, we don't have a name for the ebook yet. It's not a problem, but do you think so? I paid someone $1,000 to offer me 5 options of my ebook? No, of course not, since I discussed with the chatbot and it provided me with a list of 10 ebook topics and quick investing. The 6-week plan to a wealthy wife caught my attention the most, so I selected that topic. Then I asked for some options and creative examples for a tagline that could be displayed on the front cover of my ebook. The tagline is meant to capture people's attention and make them interested in entering and reading the book. From the 10 options given and suggested by the chatbot, I chose "Build a Life of Financial Abundance" as the tagline because it grabbed me the most. With these decisions made, I had completed the content of the ebook. By utilizing my skills in Photoshop and Canva, I was able to create product images for the ebook templates, even though the templates can be very simple. The design style and presentation of the templates will add value to the product, and this particular design style has proven successful in selling high-ticket products and courses. With everything ready, I began researching the best way to sell the book I made, and I discovered that a landing page would be the ideal option. This meant that we didn't need a website with multiple pages, but rather a simple page with essential elements. I designed the page structure in Google Docs and completed the necessary elements. Afterwards, I proceeded to Shopify, where you may design the landing page. The final result is a simple and straightforward page, but it includes all the necessary elements to convert visitors into customers. You can add a bold headline that catches the visitor's attention and emphasizes the product's main features, and the product image you can create, complete with the name, price, and additional benefits. A testimonial follows to provide social proof, and this section is essential as it aims to connect the potential customer with the product by listing some of their problems and introducing the product as the ultimate solution. A second testimonial is included to further reinforce the social proof. While additional creative elements can be added, this is essentially all that is necessary to begin testing the product. With the landing page complete, I was ready to start driving traffic. There are many advantages to selling on Shopify, and I will introduce some of the key benefits with a simple interface that makes it easy to set up and manage an online store. 2 professional-looking storefront Shopify provide a range of customizable themes and templates that allow you to create a professional-looking storefront that reflects your brand. 3 Secure and Reliable Shopify is a secure and reliable platform that uses industry-standard encryption to protect your data and your customers' data as well. It also has a 99.99% uptime guarantee, ensuring your store is always accessible. 4 Mobile responsive Shopify stores are mobile responsive, meaning they adapt to the screen size of the device they're being viewed on, providing a seamless experience for customers on any device. 5 Built-in marketing tools. Shopify comes with a range of built-in marketing tools, including SEO features, email marketing, and social media integration, making it easy to promote your store and attract new customers. 6 Payment processing. Shopify offers its own payment processing system, which is built into the platform and makes it easy to accept payments from customers. It also integrates with a range of other payment gateways, giving you more options. I chose to run Facebook and Instagram advertisements to test a product, but first we need to figure out how to promote the product. To test the product, I decided to run Facebook and Instagram ads, but before that, I needed to create the ad creatives, which consist of images and ad copies. To find out which one performs better, I prefer starting with 2 to 3 different images and copies. Using Canva, I designed the cover of my ebook with 2 different images for the ad, following a simple approach with just the templates and a curvy headline on top. I've tried and used this design style before and found it good, simple, and nice working on, well with these types of products. After that, I wrote the ad copy, which was simply a copy and paste of some text from the landing page with some gaps and emojis added. Now that we have the advertising materials in hand, we can go to Facebook and launch the campaign. I want you firstly to like the video, and if you want to learn more about money flow and how you will earn the money online, subscribe to my channel and to keep updated. And don't forget to tell us your opinion about the video by comment. Creating a Facebook ad is a simple process. That's a step-by-step guide on how to create a Facebook ad. Step 1, log into your Facebook account and go to the Ads Manager. Step 2, click on the Create button to start creating your ad. Step 3, select the objective of your ad campaign as well. Facebook offers a range of objectives including brand awareness, traffic, conversions, and more. Step 4, define your target audience by selecting their location, age, gender, interests, behaviors, and other demographics. Step 5, choose where you want your ad to appear, such as in the news feed, stories, or Instagram. Step 6, set your budget for the ad campaign, including the total budget, the duration of the campaign, and the bidding strategy. Step 7, create your ad by selecting the format such as an image, video, or carousel. You can also add text and a call to action button. Step 8, preview your ad and make sure everything looks good and perfect as you want. Step 9, submit your ad for review by Facebook. It doesn't take a lot of time. It usually takes just a few hours for Facebook to approve your ad. Step 10, once your ad is approved, it will start running and you can monitor its performance in the Ads Manager. And the final step, keep in mind to keep your ad creative and engaging to grab the attention of your target audience. Even regularly monitor the performance of your ad and make adjustments as needed to optimize its effectiveness. Give it a thumbs up if you're interested in making money online fast and easy. Now watch this video if you want to make more money from another website by searching on Google. Then what are you waiting for? Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.